Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up external transfers in TD Bank app, linking accounts guide step by step clearly. To set up external transfers in the TD Bank app, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Log in to your TD Bank account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the Move Money option, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on External Transfers to begin the linking process. Select the option to add a new external account. Enter the required information for the external account, including the account type. Provide the routing number of the external bank account. Next, input the account number for the external account. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your request to link the external account. You may need to verify the external account via a verification method, such as small verification deposits. Check your external account for these small deposits made by TD Bank. Return to the TD Bank app to enter the amounts of the verification deposits. After entering the amounts, submit the verification to complete the linking process. Once your external account is verified, you can begin transferring funds. To make a transfer, select the external account from the list of linked accounts. Choose the amount you wish to transfer and the account you are transferring to. Select the transfer date and review the transfer details. Finally, confirm and submit your transfer. Your external transfer is now scheduled and will be processed according to your selected date. You can check the status of your transfer in the app's transaction history section. That's it. You are now set up to make external transfers using the TD Bank app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.